Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this brand new device here. This is the Hasat Tire Inflation Gauge. This is a pressure gauge with a range of 0 up to 12 bar and hose length with 400 millimeter. A nanometer in diameter of 63 millimeter. This is the 9T41-1 single Hasat tire inflation gauge. Because it's practical. The handle, with its actuation lever and the ease drain button accessible with the thumb, ensures an easy one-hand operation. Easy to store thanks to the integrated hanging device. And it's flexible. Depending on the valve, the air pressure gauge can also be used for bicycle or motorcycle bikes. With the right connection, we can inflate footballs and wheelbarrows tires. And it's weatherproof. The tire inflator has a 400 millimeter long hose, even at colder temperatures. Thanks to the integrated torque plug nipple, the compressed air can be tested directly. And quality. Hasat is one of the leading manufacturers of quality tools in Germany for professional use and has more than 155 years of experience in the development and production. And it looks really cool because this is the Hasat pneumatic tool, compressed air power for professionals and ambitious hobby craftsmen. The Hasat 9041-1 tire inflator gauge inflates nearly all items for home and hobby. The pressure gauge has a diameter of 63 millimeter and measurement range of 0 up to 12 bar. In addition, it's equipped with a special rubber coating for protection against light impacts, so that the delicate part of the tool can easily survive everyday use. The tire inflate has a flexible hose which is 400 millimeter long, even at a colder temperature. Thanks to the integrated moment plug nipple, we can use the tool directly and easily too. And the device has an operation pressure of 6.3 bar and can be withstand a maximum pressure of 8 bar for this purpose. The coupling plug with a nominal wide of 7.2 is directly installed, so that we can connect the domestic compressed without great preparation and carry out the first measurement immediately. That's comfortable and intuitive operated for our household use. The handle of the tire inflator 9041 provides an easy one-handed operation with its actuation lever and the thumb accessibly release button. Is in the handle we find an integrated suspension device so that we can assign us a tire inflator and place it on a well-sorted workshop directly. This all and more brings us the nice Hasat tire inflation gauge 9041. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.